Dear students, in this video we will read chapter number 6. This is Jodi's fawn. Jodi is a young child and fawn is the young one of a deer. So this chapter is about Jodi's fawn. This is very interesting story revolves around the theme of gratitude and kindness. This story is about a young child, Jodi's emotional musing with the fawn, whose mother was killed to save Jodi's father. Now, in this story, although Jodi killed the doe is a female deer. Okay, although Jodi killed the doe, yet his heart longed for the comfort of the young one of the doe. That mean the comfort of the fawn. ਦੈਟ ਮੀਨ ਜੋਡੀ ਉਸ ਯੰਗ ਵਨ ਦਾ ਕੰਫਰਟ ਉਹਦੀ ਕੇਅਰ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਮਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਤਲਬ ਮਜਬੂਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਨਾ ਪਿਆ ਸੀ ਸੋ ਹੀ ਸੇਵਡ ਹਿਮਸੈਲਫ ਫਰੋਮ ਦ ਫੀਲਿੰਗ ਆਫ ਗਿਲਟ ਬਾਈ ਸੇਵਿੰਗ ਐਂਡ ਟੇਕਿੰਗ ਕੇਅਰ ਆਫ ਦ ਫੌਨ. And this story mainly highlights the moral values such as justice, care, and affection between human and animal life. And by reading this story, we'll come to know about the reason why Jody killed the mother of Fawn and how he get permission from his parents to bring home that helpless Fawn. So let's get started with the story. This story is an extract that has been taken from the popular fiction The Yearling, written by M.K. Rowling. Extract means the part which has been taken from any long story or a book. In this chapter is also an extract which has been taken from the fiction The Yearling, which has been written by M.K. Rowling. It deals with a little kid, Jody, and his emotions. He has a very sensitive mind, which makes him have a pure heart as well. Now, this chapter deals with the emotions, the feelings of a young child, Jody, and he has not only a sensitive mind, but his heart is also totally pure. That means he has a kind heart. And one day, a rattlesnake bites Jody's father. In order to save him, he kills a doe so he could use the heart and liver to draw out the poison. He saves his father, but unfortunately, the fawn is left all alone. Now, in the story, in a forest, Jody's father was bitten by a rattlesnake. Rattlesnake is a kind of snake which makes sound like rattle. Okay, and because his father was dying, so in order to save his father, he had to kill a doe. ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਾਰਨਾ ਪਿਆ ਸੀ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਉਹਦੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਮਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ so that he could save his father. He killed a doe, that means female deer, so that he could use the heart and liver of the female deer to take out the poison from the body of his father. However, he saved his father, but unfortunately, the young one of that doe was left alone because his mother has been died. The thought of the little fawn makes Jody very sad. He is not able to get him out of his head, so he decides to bring him home. Now, Jody was very sad because he was thinking again and again about that fawn, about that young one which was left alone in the forest. And it is very difficult for any young one to survive in the forest. And Jody was not able to stop himself thinking about the fawn, so he decided to bring that fawn his home. He discusses the same with his father, but he is hesitant. However, he makes him realize that it was their responsibility as they killed the doe. Now, when Jody talked to his father about this matter, his father was hesitant. Hesitant means like he was in a suspense to take any decision. He was not sure that they should bring that fawn to his home or not. ਮਤਲਬ ਉਹਦੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਡਿਸਾਈਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕਰ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਸ ਲਿਟਲ ਜੋ ਹੈਗਾ ਸੀ ਯੰਗ ਵਨ ਉਸ ਡੋ ਦਾ ਫੀਮੇਲ ਡੀਅਰ ਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਘਰ ਲਿਆਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਔਰ ਇਸ ਕਨਫਿਊਜ਼ਨ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਜੋਡੀ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਦਰ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਣੀ ਪੈਣੀ ਸੀ ਇਸ ਰਿਗਾਰਡਿੰਗ ਸੋ ਹਿਜ਼ ਫਾਦਰ ਵਾਜ਼ ਹੈਜ਼ੀਟੈਂਟ ਬਟ ਜੋਡੀ ਮੇਕਸ ਹਿਮ ਰਿਅਲਾਈਜ਼ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੋਡੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਰਿਅਲਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ that they killed the doe So this is their responsibility to take care of the little one. The father now agrees with Jody and permits him to do so. Now his father has given him permission to bring Jody to his to bring Fawn to his home. Further, he reminds Jody that they will need their mother's permission. और जोड़ी ਨੂੰ remind करवाया कि he has to go to his mother and ask about the matter. That means he has to get permission from his mother also. Jory talks to his mother too regarding the same. She gets surprised when Jody went to his mother to talk about this matter. His mother got surprised. ठीक है पहले तो हैरान होगी when she first hears the idea. And Jody then makes her realize that it would be ungrateful to leave the phone all alone. As Jody made his father realize that the fawn is their responsibility, in the same way he made his mother also to realize that it will not be good if they leave the fawn all alone in the forest. Dr. Wilson also helps Jody in persuading his mother, and Dr. Wilson ने भी जोड़ी ਦੀ help ਕੀਤੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ mother ਨੂੰ ਮਨਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, and he says that nothing comes for free and now they have to pay the price. It means that we cannot get anything for free. Like they killed the mother of that fawn. And now, in return, to pay the price, they will have to take care of that fawn. Millwheel also chips in to take Jody to the forest. Now, there is another character, Millwheel. He also chips in. Chips in means he also helped Jody. The mother now agrees only on the condition that Jody keeps his promise. ਐਂਡ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸ ਕੀ ਸੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਜਦੋਂ ਜੋਡੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਪਰਸੂਏਡ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਮਨਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਪਰਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਲੈ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਟੂ ਬ੍ਰਿੰਗ ਦੈਟ ਫੋਨ ਹੋਮ ਤਾਂ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਜੋਡੀ ਨੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਹੀ ਵਿਲ ਟੇਕ ਕੇਅਰ ਆਫ ਦ ਫੋਨ ਹਿਮਸੈਲਫ ਓਨਲੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਖੁਦ ਉਹਦੀ ਕੇਅਰ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫੀਡ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਐਵਰੀਥਿੰਗ ਹੀ ਵਿਲ ਡੂ ਫॉर ਦ ਫੋਨ ਸੋ ਮਦਰ ਉਹਦੇ ਮੰਨ ਗਏ ਇਸ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ 'ਤੇ ਕਿ ਮਤਲਬ ਜੋ ਜੋਡੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸ ਜੋ ਉਹਨੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਜੋਡੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਮਿਸਸ ਟੂ ਫੀਡ ਦ ਫੋਨ ਹਿਜ਼ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਆਫ ਮਿਲਕ Jody ने भी promise ਕੀਤਾ कि he will give him the share of his own milk, and they then set out in the forest and finally find the little fawn. And after deciding all these things, they set out in the forest. That means they went to the forest and they finally found the little fawn over there. And then Jody carries it in his arms and brings him to his father. He then feeds him the milk from his hands. And then Jody feed him milk. मतलब Jody ने खुद अपने hands ਨਾਲ ठीक है fingers ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨੂੰ milk ਪਿਲਾਇਆ. The fawn is finally home and it's ready to be raised by Jody. So in this way, Jody brought that fawn into his home, and now that fawn was ready to be raised by Jody. So it tells us how an innocent heart and beautiful soul can bring a change in somebody's life. ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਇਨੋਸੈਂਟ ਹਰਟ ਮਤਲਬ ਜੋ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ ਮੋਸਟਲੀ ਐਂਡ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਸੋਲ that mean a beautiful human being can bring a change in somebody's life as Jody did in the life of that fawn. That mean like ਅਗਰ ਜੋਡੀ ਉਸ ਫੋਨ ਆਪਣੇ ਘਰ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਆਂਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਫੋਨ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਓਕੇ ਬਾਈ ਐਨੀ ਐਨੀਮਲ ਔਰ ਵਿਦ ਦ ਸਟਾਰਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਖਾਣ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਕਿ ਭੁੱਖ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਮਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ ਔਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਐਨੀਮਲ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਵੀ ਮਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਸੀ So Jody was worried about the well-being of that fawn, so he brought that fawn to his home. So that's it with the story, and I hope you learn a good lesson from this chapter.